Hey guys, thanks for watching our May. Flash drive can be set up most everywhere. It's small, convenient, and the most important thing, it's not expensive. But it doesn't mean you don't spend any money. So when you encounter USB cannot be detected, you can choose to fix it. First of all, I'll explain 3 reasons that cause flash drive cannot be detected. The first one is there's a problem with USB port. Plug your USB flash drive into different ports to see if a popular port is damaged. You can get it repaired at the computer manufacturer's repair center. The second one is there's a problem with USB driver. In this case, you can use Device Manager to check the status. Pressing Windows plus R, typing this command in the pop-up window, and pressing Enter. If there's a yellow exclamation mark next to your flash drive in Device Manager, that means there's a problem with your USB. Right-click on the device and select Properties to get specific error message. Third one is there's a problem with USB device. Here are divided into 3 different situations. 1. USB device is damaged physically. 2. USB device is attacked by virus. 3. USB device is formatted improperly. For this reason, you can find detailed solutions in the next part. Now, you can choose the corresponding operation according to the actual situation. Repair pen drive not detected effortlessly. Search Almay Partition Assistant on Internet. Download for free. 1. Create partition. At the very beginning, connect your USB pen drive to your computer. Install and run Almay Partition Assistant. Then, right-click on the unallocated space and select Create Partition. Next, in the pop-up window, you can set the partition size, drive letter, file system for the new partition. To adjust the partition size, you can drag the right or left edge of the partition as shown below. For more settings like partition label and partition type, you may click Advanced button. Finally, click Apply to view pending operations and then proceed to commit the operations. Two, recover partition. Firstly, click on Partition Recovery Wizard on the left-hand pane. Choose the USB disk from which you want to recover the accidentally deleted or lost partitions. Click Next to continue. In this page, select the search mode. Fast search is recommended for saving time. Take the partition which you want to recover and click Proceed to execute the operation. Tips: if you can't find these detected or lost partitions by fast search, try another way, full search. 3. Format partition. Right-click the USB pen drive that you need format or hit Format partition. Then, in the pop-up window, you can name the USB drive by editing partition label and change file system based on your needs. Click OK to continue. Finally, Click Apply to view pending operations and then proceed to commit the operations. Four. Change drive letter. Right-click the USB pen drive which you want to give a new drive letter to. Select Advanced and then Change drive letter. Then, select the new drive letter in the pop-up window. You can choose whichever drive letter you like, except the ones that are occupied by other drives. In the end, click Apply to view pending operations and then proceed to commit the operations. If you still have some problems to be solved, welcome to write a review or communicate with me.